Hi everybody! We're going to do some more 3D shapes. On Thursday in our Zoom, we talked about a couple of 3D shapes. We talked about cubes and spheres and cylinders. And when we talked about 3D shapes, they're different from 2D shapes because 2D shapes are flat, right? We can draw them. 3D shapes take up space, right? They take up space. So I'm going to play a brain pop for you. Annie and Moby are going to talk about 3D shapes. They're going to review the ones that we already learned to refresh your memory for the week. And then she's going to talk about some new ones that we haven't talked about yet. You might already know them and you might not, and that's okay. So I want you to watch. I want you to refresh your memory on the old ones, and I want you to listen close for the new ones, and then be ready for your seesaw assignment, okay? Listen for those new vocabulary words we talked about, like faces and edges, and we'll talk when it's over, okay? I'm gonna share my screen with you. Let's see. All right, here she is. She's gonna do her thing. And you know what, guys? They're gonna call the shapes solid shapes. It's just another fancy word for 3D shapes, okay? Let's listen.
Wow, Moby, that looks achoo! Sorry, Moby. I think you dropped this. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape. It has 6 faces or flat sides. The faces on a cube are all squares. There are 12 edges where the faces meet, and there are 8 vertices or corners. Plenty of things are shaped like cubes, like an ice cube, a number cube, or a box of tissues. What is a rectangular prism? Just like a cube, a rectangular prism has 12 edges and 8 corners or vertices. You're right, Moby. These solid shapes both have 6 faces. But most faces of a rectangular prism are shaped like rectangles, and all the faces on a cube are squares. Tons of things are shaped like rectangular prisms, like a juice box, radio, and even a thin piece of paper. Some buildings are shaped like rectangular prisms too. What is a pyramid? This pyramid has 8 edges and 5 vertices or corners. There are 5 faces, and 4 of them are shaped like triangles. The base is the face on the bottom. The base of this pyramid is square. But I've definitely seen pyramids with bases that are different shapes. I guess the sides of any pyramid are triangles, and they all meet at one vertex. When I think of pyramids, I think of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. What is a cylinder? It has no vertices and a curved surface. 2 faces on a cylinder are circles. A cylinder can roll. A can of tuna, a penny, and a spool of thread are all cylinders. You know what's really cool? The curved part of a cylinder is actually a rolled-up rectangle. What is a cone? cone is a solid figure with one face, which is at its base. It's shaped like a circle. It has one point and a curved surface. A funnel, a traffic cone, and an ice cream cone are all cones. There's one more solid shape here. What is a sphere? A sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. It's curved and round, so a sphere can roll. A ball, marble, globe, and an orange are all spheres. Sorry about the mess, Moby. Hey!
All right, she's all done. So we learned some new shapes. She talked to us about a pyramid. She talked to us about a rectangular prism, right? And then she reviewed those new 3D shape vocabulary words for us. So this is a cube, right? Because every face is a square. The face is this flat part right here that it's sitting on, the face, okay? These that we used to call the sides for a 2D shape, on a 3D shape, they're now called edges, okay? Edges. And we still have vertices, right, at the corners, okay? So I want you to check out Seesaw. I put up a chart with some different 3D shapes on it. I can't remember all the 3D shapes. I used cubes on there, spheres on there, okay, and some others. And I want you to shape hunt around your house, just like we did for 2D shapes. I want you to hunt for 3D shapes. When you find one, you can use the little T tool in Seesaw to type in what you found in your house that's that 3D shape. Try and find one for each shape, one thing in your house for each shape. If you find more, please share them with me. That would be so awesome, and I'd love to see all the 3D shapes you have in your house, okay? But you need at least one for each shape, okay? All right, friends, happy shape hunting.